It doesn't taste good, that's why. You put it on the paper. On the paper. Right here. Pretty picture. Use this. Use this. Just that. No, it's not good to eat. Yeah. Yeah. Put it on the paper.